We have got the new coolant temperature sensors here. There are two coolant temperature sensors. One is down there at the bottom of the pipe. Usually you'd have all the air pipes that are there, but we've already removed them. Everything literally just clips off. So you have access from this one from the top. You have another one down below. That is there. So you have two coolant temperature sensors. This one might be a bit tricky to get to, because when you do remove it, you have to try putting the other one in straight away. Otherwise you will lose coolant. So let's go ahead and take this one off first. Okay, so I've got the screwdriver. You literally want to get in between there and pop the clip off. Be careful that you do not drop the clip, because there is a shield on underneath the car, and it will drop and it will fall down there. So I literally remove the clip all the way. Now the clip's off all the way. Just for a bit of safety, just pop that under the car if it will fit. Mine don't fit. What I do is I leave this water cap on so no water comes flying out. So now the clip's off, you literally just pull it up. Bit of water leaks out of this one, but not too much. As you can see, the rubber washer is still inside. Since we've got new rubber washers, let's take the old one out. Pack, you get a new clip, the sensor and the rubber washer. You want to wear gloves because antifreeze can be corrosive to sensitive skin. So what I do is I put the rubber washer in the hole first, so it's easier. Just put your finger around and make sure there's no dirt drop down. It's all clean in there. So I put the rubber washer in first, make sure that is seated in its correct space. Then I get the sensor and just make sure that the sensor is in, and that's it. Perfect fit, squeezed in nicely. Get the new clip. Got the new clip, and the clip should just slide in from behind. So you want to make sure that the clip is over the sensor. So when you push it in, see the clip is on top of the sensor. It shouldn't be that loose in there. So what I might have to do is use the old, and I'm gonna see if this rubber sensor is as thick as the original one. And I've seen the difference. That's smaller compared to the one that's come out. So I am going to be using the original one, because the new one is slightly smaller. You can see there, you can see the underneath one behind. Okay, so that's the clip on, and it does feel a lot more sturdier. It will have a bit of play as it's plastic and until the rubber seals, but that does feel a lot better. Now let's go ahead, don't forget to put the plug on. So for the second sensor, it's the same process. Pull the plastic clip out, pop it off. But with this one, you are going to get some leaks. The water is going to leak, so you're going to have to hurry and put the other sensor in as soon as you pull this one out. You don't want the rubber to come out with it. Right, rubber still in. Let's put it straight in. See, I did use a little bit of coolant, but not much. Let's get the new clip out. Sensor is in correctly. The clip should just push in. Because I pulled the old one off with the plug, we need to find that. So what we need to go ahead now to do now is remove the plug, take that sensor off and put the plug back on. There you have it. That's both coolant sensors changed. It's pretty simple as long as you've got the basic knowledge. If not, please take it to your nearest mechanic. If you're local, by all means, we don't mind helping. So yeah, let's see if the engine management light's still on. If it is still on, we're going to have to reset the code. Let's have a look. And there you have it. The engine management light is off. Check if you've lost coolant. No, we've got enough coolant. If you have lost a little bit of coolant, it's worth topping it back up.